This is John Daly doing the functions assignment. So I have my functions here. I have a printout, and I have an add, a multiply, and a print out again. So I added a bunch of text in. I wanted to try and make it a little more interactive where you could choose the numbers, but I realized I don't know how to get it to where I can input integers, and I figured this was a little outside the scope of the assignment anyway, so I just said forget it. I'll put in two random numbers that my wife chose and call it a day. So what I'm doing here is I have a function set up to say that this is being printed by a function, and I made it a little interactive where we have some read lines where you have to hit enter to continue, and then it adds the two numbers, then it'll subtract the two numbers. I use this return. I actually don't like this one as much. I like just using the static void rather than the static integer. Using the return is really convenient because it just spits out the difference, but because it's this static interface, I can't have all these console write lines in here, I guess. Like, it didn't like it after I put the return difference in there. It kept spitting out errors, so I just said forget it. I'll put it in the one below it. So I actually just guessed at this product too. I used my second grade math knowledge knowing that product meant multiplication. And I said, I wonder if I just slap that in there, it'll work. And sure enough, it did. So, excuse me, I'm yawning. Well, go ahead and run this. Welcome to the wild world of functions. I shall be your guide. Press enter to continue. Believe it or not, a function is printing this. Isn't that crazy? Press enter to continue. First, check out my math addition skills. The sum of our two variables is 1429. Isn't that amazing? Now be amazed by my ability to subtract. The difference is 1395. Crazy, crazy stuff. And then finally, I do the impressive finale where it multiplies them. Big numbers. Isn't that just incredible? And then it gives the end where it says very politely, it hopes you've enjoyed the time and that the mysteries of functions shall be here when you return. Excuse me, I'm so sorry, I'm yawning. And that is the end of this functions assignment.